Hello, my friends. How's everyone doing? This is Sheree, and I'm here for hashtag Stash to Treasure. This is an open collab hosted by Maria and myself. It's Maria of Maria's Miscellany and myself, and anyone's welcome to participate. You just grab something from your stash that that you would like to use and make a video and post it. If you can post it today, or really you can post it anytime during the month, just use that hashtag, link our channels, which I'll have the link below, or you can use the @ sign and then the name of our channel, and it should pop up and you can just, enter. But yeah, let's get started, and all the instructions, if I forgot anything, will be in the my description box. But just make sure you're subscribed and link our channels and use the hashtag is basically what you have to do, and show us your ideas for using something in your stash. And yes, and by the way, I am pronouncing miscellany the way that Maria pronounces it. Someone watched my channel and phonetically spelled out miscellany in my comments, and I thought that was so funny because that's the way Maria pronounces it, miscellany. So I thought that was so funny. Anyway, let's get started. So what I wanted to do today was just a really quick little idea to show you. Once in a while, I don't use all my packaging that I get in, with things, but when I see something that I think is really cool, like a cool pattern on the backing, the backing packaging, or a tag or something like this, it just kind of inspires me to do something with it. So this is a piece. I think it was from, I don't know what it was from, actually. I can't think of what it was from now, but it's a little like tag that apparently held something together, and I maybe ripped it out apart right here. And so this is what I was left with, but I just thought it was a really cool shape, and then I could use it for like a tag topper. Can you picture this? Just put it on the top of a tag or something to be the little tab, or it's kind of, I don't know, I guess you could use it for a tab on a page too, but this is how it ended up. So what I want to do is, see, this is where I guess I ripped it off with whatever it was on, and so I'm going to even it up here and just cut a straight line right there, pretty straight, and then these little pieces that are sticking out right here, I'm going to cut those off even. So a straight line up here and a straight line up here. And then this is a little jagged here, so another cut here. And then what I want to do is I pulled out this pretty piece of scrapbook paper from my scrap box, and I thought I would draw around it and just see what it looks like cut out on scrapbook paper. Now I could just use this, and that's what my first thought was. I'll just cover this and use it. But I thought, well, what if I can just use this as a template? Okay, so that was my second thought as I was getting ready to do this, because I was like, well, if I use it, then it will be gone. The pattern will be gone. Not that I couldn't replicate it, but it's easier, right, like this, because I have a template, right? So let's just see how hard this is to cut out. I'm going to draw around it with my pen here, and just, I want it to be perfect, but I'm not trying to go for perfection. As you can see, I'm just quickly drawing around it, trying to keep this in place. Yeah, I got that side. Okay, so this side now going to be a little harder because I'm right-handed. So let's see if I can get my hand out of the way here and hold it down in place and still draw around it. Okay, there we go. So let's see. I have my little bundle of book page tags here. These are in my shop, by the way. But if you need a set, I've only got one set done so far, but I want to make some more as time permits. So I will be making more of those. Or if you go to my shop and they're gone, they're in there now as I speak. But if you go to my shop and they're gone, message me and I'll make some more, because you know what, I have plenty of book pages. you know we all do, right? Okay, so I'm trying to cut around this the best as I can with in a really quick fashion here, so you guys don't have to watch me cut too long. But I just thought this would be the cutest little tag topper, you know, a different shape than I've ever used, and I guess it could be used for more than a tag topper, like it was originally used to gather something up inside of here, like, you know, yarn or some kind of trim or something. So this is papery cardstock, but if you wanted to use, I mean, papery scrap of paper, but if you wanted to use cardstock, it could be a little stronger for gathering something up if you wanted it to be stronger. So there it is. Cute, right? Okay, so it would be like this. Let me think here for a second how it was originally. Yeah, so the short piece was in front, so it could be like this and this. Okay, let me just put this even. I'm just going to put this even with the back and go with it like that for this particular one. So if you didn't like this piece sticking down in front, you could continue the circle there and then still have the little piece in back to glue down. But I'm doing it like this. And I think I would bring it down a little bit. Okay, so now that's how it is from its original shape, just like that. So you could use it like that. If you have a, I mean, you could make something like this, just do a circle and then put two, you know, rectangles on either side. Or you could do two circles. You could do two circles, circle here, and then, you know, fold those in half and do a circle topper. You know, and you could use your different size. If you have two different size punches or circles, you could make it whatever size circle you want. I'm just trying to think. I want to try, let's see. Let me do something here real quick. So I've got my original circle shape here. I'm going to put it back down here so that I can draw a circle the rest of the way around this part that's sticking down in front like that. I just drew that, so now I can cut that out. I want to see what it's, because I can make more of these. I have my template, right? I can have options here. I just want to see what it looks like this, just with a circle in front and then a little tab to glue down and back. And I can leave that long. Yeah, I think I like that better. So a little circle topper. That's cute, right? Look at that. Isn't that cute? I like that. And you can, of course, make any color that you want, you know, only limited to your zillions of papers you have in your stash, right? I mean, book pages, scrapbook paper, whatever you have. This doesn't have to be quite so long, so why don't we cut it off here? See, I did not think of all this before the video. I'm just kind of like going with it now. So make it as long. I don't want it to, well, it will only be in back. So I'm going to cut it almost the length of the, you know, the circle here. I'm going to cut straight across here in the back. And I'm not going to glue it to this particular, sorry, it's morning. I'm not going to glue it to this particular tag because this is in my shop and it's just being sold as a plain textbook page. But it would look like this if I glued it down, or you could staple it down or sew it down. But look how cute. Little circle topper. And then the back, you have this to glue down or whatever. So staple, however you want to put it down. So yeah, I know that was really quick, but I just had that idea in my head that I wanted to get out of there. So that's what I did. And so yeah, I think I would like to make some more of these like this. Maybe I can keep this one as a template or make one on cardstock, you know, and this was the inspiration, but make some more of these. I don't have anything like this in my stash. So make some more of these and have them ready. And I can make them, like I said, all out of all sorts of, you know, using my scraps. or you know, whatever paper I want to use, but have some of these ready to go because I think they're really cute. I'm wondering what it would look like. Well, I think I would do it like this, or see how it's up a little bit, or you could put it all the way down, and then you could still punch a hole, whatever shape hole you want here, just your regular hole punch or whatever punches you have to punch. You know, I have a slot punch or whatever punches you have to punch a hole. You can still punch a hole and put a ribbon on top. So it could just be like a little decoration on top, part of the topper, and then you still can put a ribbon up there. So just some ideas that were rolling around in my head and that kind of just happened during this video that I'm thinking of. So anyway, I think that's super cute. I can't wait to make some more. And I will, you know, when I make more, I will share them with you and let you know how it goes and what I do with them. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great weekend, and if you're watching this on the Friday that I posted, have a great weekend, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know how you like these, and if you're going to make some, or if you have some other ideas for toppers that are different like this, let me know in the comments, and if it's something I can try, I'll try it on video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.